Hello. It is so sweet when they stand on their hind legs and eat the. Yeah, this is like. I want to make this a rabbit channel because I can only be. Okay, this girl is also feeling that I'm feeding him, so.
So small.
I really need to thank this young man who's in front of me. A young man who happens to go to New York Academy. Because of him, we have
Don't come
these
to my
rabbits.
school.
Don't. It's being recorded, so
It's scary.
it's so nice. And
It's
Ayush, it's Valentine's Day tomorrow. Do you have a Valentine?
not at all, and I don't want to have.
Why? We'll find you a Valentine.
Sorry, no.
Ski can be your Valentine.
Yes.
Okay, and this guy.
Marriage
But then,
proposal.
and then,
Marriage.
who will be Henry's Valentine?
Bonnie.
Okay. So this is so cute. This is adorable. 1 minute long video.